Hey, my California homeowners. So in this video, this is really just meant for you to get smart and understand the foreclosure timeline in California with a couple small wrinkles. We do get calls from people that said, I missed a mortgage payment, I don't want to get foreclosed on. In California, you're not going to get foreclosed on by missing one mortgage payment. The shortest distance you're going to have between missing payments and getting a notice of default filed is 90 days. So you can miss 3 months of payments without anything happening. Then they file a notice of default. The notice of default by law has to run for 90 days. So now you have 90 days missed payments, 90 days notice of default. Then they can set a foreclosure trustee sale date, typically 3 weeks after the 90 days because they need 3 weeks of publication. That just means that it has to be publicized in a public paper for 3 weeks. That's the way the law works. So you can go 90 for missed payments, 90 for the notice of default, 21 for publication. So 90 plus 90, 180 plus 21, 201 days. So that means if you do absolutely nothing, you have approximately 201 days before your house can get foreclosed on in California. That's if you do absolutely nothing. 201 days is what? It's between 6 and 7 months, right? 6 months and 21 days. If you just missed your first couple mortgage payments, nothing horrible to really worry about. Now, moving on, there's a bunch of things you can do to slow down that process. AB 2424 in California says if you submit a listing agreement, they have to give you 45 days. So now you're going 90 days of missed payments, 90 days of notice of default, 21 days of notice of sale, 45 days of AB 2424. So now you're at 245 days. AB 2424 also says if you submit a purchase agreement, you get another 45 days. So now you're going 290 days. You haven't done anything fancy other than AB 2424, submitting a listing and a real estate purchase agreement, timely. You're already at 290 days. If you submit a loan modification, file bankruptcy, again, delay. So in California, you're gonna have about a year if you're doing things correctly. Okay, you're gonna have about a year. And just to be clear, that's not me saying you should miss a year of mortgage payments. It means you're gonna have a year to figure this out. So we hope whatever hardship you have is short term. I lost my job. 6 months later, I got a new job. Great, let's work it out. God forbid, someone in the house passed away. It's taken us 6 months to get back on our feet, get insurance money, go through probate. Great, let's get you back on track. Get smart in California. It's gonna take them a year to foreclose on your house without doing anything fancy. You start to get fancy, you contact an attorney like ourselves. We can do it way more than a year, but it's much better to contact us sooner rather than later so that we can properly plan. Strategize is a good word, okay? Josh Sternberg, Sternberg Law Group. Any questions, find us online, www.sternberglawgroup.com, or just call us 310-270-4343. Thank you, everybody.